Have you ever found yourself gazing at flight attendants and pilots, wondering what they know that you don't? Maybe you've noticed how effortlessly they move through airports, or how calm they remain even when turbulence hits. It's almost as if they're in on a set of secrets that the rest of us can only guess at. It's like they're part of an exclusive club, gliding through the clouds with a treasure trove of insider wisdom. They know the tricks to make every flight smoother, safer, and even more enjoyable. From the best seats to hidden perks, their knowledge can transform your travel experience. Today we're pulling back the curtain and inviting you into that club. We're about to share the flight secrets that every traveler deserves to know, no matter how often you fly or where you're headed. These aren't just tips, they're the kind of insights that can make your next journey smarter and more comfortable. We're revealing 10 essential flight secrets you absolutely need to know before you board your next plane. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time flyer, these tips will help you travel like a pro and avoid common pitfalls. From clever ways to snag the lowest fares and score the best seats, to keeping your phone charged at 30,000 feet and making the most of in-flight amenities, we've got every aspect of your journey covered. You'll even learn how to breeze through security and make the most of airport layovers. So buckle up and get ready. These expert tips could change the way you travel forever. Let's unlock the secrets of flight together and make your next trip your best one yet. Let's start with saving money, because who doesn't love getting the best value for their travel budget? If you're looking to stretch your dollars further, timing is everything when it comes to booking flights. Did you know that booking flights on Tuesdays can often land you the absolute best deals? It's not just a rumor, there's real strategy behind it. Airlines typically launch their weekly sales late on Monday nights or early Tuesday mornings, setting the stage for a price war among competitors. By mid-morning on Tuesday, other airlines have usually matched or even undercut those prices, creating a window of opportunity for savvy travelers. If you search for flights on Tuesday afternoons, you might notice prices dropping by as much as 20 to 25% compared to other days of the week. That's a significant saving, especially for families or frequent flyers. To make sure you're seeing the lowest fares, clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode. Airlines sometimes track your searches and may increase prices if they see repeated interest in a route. Set up fare alerts on your favorite travel sites and keep an eye out for flash sales, which often pop up on Tuesdays as airlines compete for your booking. So, the next time you're planning a getaway, remember, Tuesdays aren't just another day of the week. They're your secret weapon for scoring unbeatable travel deals and making your dream trip a reality. Hate turbulence? You're definitely not alone. For many travelers, those sudden bumps and shakes can turn a relaxing flight into a nerve-wracking experience. But here's a little-known secret that can make your next journey much smoother. If you want the calmest ride possible, always try to sit over the wings. This isn't just a random tip. It's based on how airplanes are designed and how they move through the air. The wings are like the plane's built-in shock absorbers. When turbulence hits, the wings flex and absorb much of the movement, so the seats above them experience less up and down motion. That's why this area is often the most stable spot on the plane. Seasoned travelers, frequent flyers, and even flight attendants will tell you, if you're prone to motion sickness or just want a smoother ride, these seats are your best bet. They know from experience that sitting over the wings can make a huge difference. Plus, you'll get a fascinating view of the wings in action. Watching the flaps and engines work during takeoff, landing, and even mid-flight can be surprisingly mesmerizing, especially for aviation enthusiasts. If you're traveling with kids, sitting by the wing can be a lifesaver. The moving parts of the wing provide endless entertainment and distraction, helping to keep little ones occupied during the flight. So next time you're booking your flight, take a moment to choose a seat over the wings. It's a simple trick that can make your journey noticeably more comfortable and enjoyable. Your nerves and your drink will thank you. With less turbulence, you can relax, enjoy your beverage, and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. Hydration hack. Bring an empty water bottle through security. Fill it up at a water station after security and skip overpriced bottled water. Staying hydrated helps fight jet lag and keeps you feeling good when you land. You can sip whenever you want, no waiting for the drink cart. Just make sure your bottle is empty before security. It's a small move that makes a big difference. Your smartphone is your best travel buddy. Download your airline's app before you go. Get real-time updates on gate changes, delays, and even track your bags. Some apps let you rebook, upgrade, or order food right from your phone. Airport maps in the app mean you'll never get lost. It's like having a flight attendant in your pocket. Know your passenger rights. Airlines must compensate you for certain delays, cancellations, or lost luggage. Most people miss out on vouchers, meals, or hotel stays because they don't ask. If your flight is delayed or you're bumped, ask about compensation and check your airline's policy. Be polite but firm. Knowing your rights pays off. Don't just accept problems. See what the airline can do for you. Flight attendants often skip the coffee and tea on planes, and you might want to too. The water tanks aren't cleaned as often as you'd hope, and bacteria can build up. Stick to bottled water or canned drinks for peace of mind. Need caffeine? Grab coffee at the airport or bring your own travel mug. Next time the drink cart comes by, opt for a sealed bottle or can. Your stomach will thank you. Plane cabins are unpredictable. Dress in layers. Start with a comfy base, add a sweater, and keep a light jacket or scarf handy. Layers keep you comfortable and free up space in your carry-on. Spilled something? You've got a backup shirt. Wear comfortable shoes and bring extra socks for long flights. When flying, it's all about the layers. Tray tables are the dirtiest spot on the plane, even dirtier than bathroom handles. Bring disinfectant wipes and clean your tray, armrests, seatbelt buckle, and screen. It might seem extra, but it helps you avoid getting sick, especially important during flu season or with kids. Claim your clean space. Your immune system will thank you. Want a first-class seat without paying for it? Just ask. Be polite and friendly. Agents sometimes upgrade passengers who ask nicely, especially if you're solo or celebrating. Ask about upgrades at check-in or the gate, not last minute. Frequent flyer status helps, but charm goes a long way. Worst case, you stay in your seat. Best case, you're sipping champagne up front. Take a chance and ask. You never know. Pack a portable charger. Nothing's worse than a dead phone when you land. Outlets at airports and on planes are limited and unreliable. A power bank keeps your phone alive for boarding passes, directions, and entertainment. Charge it before you leave and keep the cable handy. Your future self will thank you. There you have it. 10 flight secrets to transform your next adventure. Apply these tips and you'll be flying like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and have a safe flight. May your skies be clear and your upgrades plentiful. Until next time, happy travels.